my god. I trusted the Pokemon Center vending machine again. Don't cook me. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is insane. I literally, just before this video, I literally just pulled the Moltres SIR from Destined Rivals. This is just, what is going on? Like, have people had luck like this? This is such a sick card. I wanted this so bad. Lucario is literally my favorite. Oh my god. Holy, sorry, I'm trying to grab a sleeve right now. Wow! Look at the texture on that. These modern SIRs are crazy. What is going on? And before that Moltres, I pulled the Mega Latias SIR from this set. So this is 3 SIRs recently. Wow! Look at that. Centering looks good too. See the back. The back looks clean. No whitening. No obvious whitening right now. Wow. Dude, I can't wait to text my buddy too. He's so pissed because he pulled nothing and here I am pulling everything. Alright, last pack magic. This is crazy. These single packs from the vending machine have been treating me unreal. Which I'm used to just pulling bulk from them. Alright, let's run it. I can't even be mad. This is crazy. Look at that. Wow! Alright, Pokebar bar out.